Welcome to 152 Woodstream Drive in Columbus, Georgia. Tucked away in North Columbus, Riegel Point is a picturesque neighborhood with charming craftsman-styled homes lining the community sidewalk and cul-de-sac streets, all in a convenient location. Featuring 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and almost 2,600 square feet, this home is in pristine condition with a fantastic open floor plan that is easy to mold to your needs. With neutral paint colors throughout and hardwood floors on the main level for easy maintenance, this home is truly move-in ready. The master bedroom is spacious with an impressive ensuite, double vanities, gorgeous deep soak tub for relaxation, and separate shower. The covered patio overlooks the fenced-in yard and provides excellent outdoor living space. This is 152 Woodstream Drive. Check it out. Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you're interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer specialist, Tom Maldonado, at 706-358-4064.